To highlight my hairs, here I am using Strix Ultra Highlights in shade Purple Topaz. I ordered these 2 boxes from Flipkart during Big Billion Days sale. So I got these 2 boxes for 272 rupees. I got this between 10 days from ordering. I will give these links in the description box in case you want to buy it. Let's see what we get in this box. At first, this is colorant cream, which is step 2, and this is blonder powder and developer. And we got this user manual, and this is brush, and this is my favorite, it's Strix conditioner. And this is hand gloves and a spoolie for mixing. And this is a foil paper. You can get this foil paper roll from your local stores under 50 rupees. Wear any old cloth in case you got any stain from colors. Before starting, wear the gloves. This is bigger from my hand. So I'm done. Now I'm taking blonder powder and developer and taking a glass bowl. It's time to mixing. So this is very dusty and smell is not good at all. And this is developer. And use this pulley now and mix it as well as you can.
Mix, 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 mix.
See this beautiful color. And now divide your hair into 2 divisions and clip the upper section. And now take a little sections and just apply the mixture on it and roll it with the foil paper.
Do it how I am doing. Learn something from me. Ha ha ha.
If you have long hair like me, then you need 2 boxes, and if you have short hair, then you can go for 1 box as well.
Really, I become tired at that point.
So I'm done with one side. Now I'm doing another side, the same process. Just take a little section of your hair and rub the mixture very well on your hair and just roll your hair as much as you can and then just cover it with the foil paper. Last mixture is finished, so here I take the another box and mix the blonder powder and the developer in the same process. I'm just coloring half of my hair, not touching my scalp or anything. And my advice is read the user manual before using this, and obviously do a patch test on your skin before use this color on a highlighter. So at last I'm done with all of my hair and I will wait for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes you can see its result. Now I will wash my hair with lukewarm water and then I will show you how it looks. Its smell is not good at all. After doing shampoo, you can see how it comes. If you keep it for more times, then it will comes more good. So now it's time to do our second part. So like the first step, just divide your hair in 2 sections and make a knot on the top. See how it looks after using the developer and the colorant. So now I'm taking 2 boxes colorant cream because I know 1 box is not enough for me. And just do the same process. Take a little section of your hair and take the colorant cream and put it on where you apply the previous mixture, and then roll it with the help of foil. For better result, you can keep the colorant and the developer for more long time, but that will not good for your hair. So I just keep all this for 30 minutes. So I'm done with all of my hair and I will wait for 30 minutes, and after that I will wash my hair and use the conditioner. And now you can see how it looks like. When you use the conditioner, that makes your hair more smooth and shiny, which I love the most. And you can see how the color comes. I just keep the colorant cream for 30 minutes, not more than that. If you like this video, then do like, share, and if you are new here, then obviously do subscribe my channel and check out my description box if you want to buy this. You can follow me on social medias. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to show off my hair. If you like this video, then comment below.
Did you see I did mehendi?
Thanks for watching. Bye guys. Love you.